Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll share this multicolor crochet earring. So if you like my video, then please do like, share and please subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So for this one we need crochet hook size 0.60 mm and total 5 color thread I have used. So let's start it. So at first I am making that magic ring, and then I'll make total 3 chain and then double crochet I'll make. So here this 3 chain I'm considered as 1 double crochet. So after that I'm making total 7 double crochet, as I need this to be a half circle. Okay, so you just make total 7 double crochet. This full earring you can make if you know only the basic crochet, means that normal chain stitch and double crochet and single crochet. So here I have used this thread is anchor pearl cotton thread. This thread actually a little bit shiny color, so you will get it online as well as you can get it offline also. I have this one I'm getting from one nearby shop offline. So here you can see that the double crochet done. Now I'll pull the thread to tie this. Okay, you can see how I'm just pulling the thread to tie this. Okay, now I'll cut the thread. Next I'll use yellow color thread. With the thread also, at first we'll make the slip knot. Now after slip knot I'll insert the hook on that front side. That first means this is the third chain. Now I'll insert the hook, and with this yellow color thread I'll make total 3 chain. So 1, 2 and 3 chain. Now in each stitches I'll make two double crochet. You can see how I'm making that 2 double crochet. Now on the next stitch again I'm making 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, so like that we'll finish this round. You can see that round is finished. Now I'm just cutting this thread. Now we'll work on the next thread. Next one I'm choosing this green color. So with this green color also do the same thing. At first make a slip knot, then make double crochet. Okay, so now with the green color thread also I'm making the same one. At first I have made this slip knot, then I'm making 3 chain total. So here you can see first chain I'm making 1, 2 and 3 chain. Now after 3 chain we'll make the same thing, means in each stitch I'll make 2 double crochet. So here on the first I'm making 1 double crochet because 3 chain considered as 1 double crochet. So you just make in each and every stitch total 2 double crochet. So we'll come after finishing this round. So here you can see that this round also completed. So I just cut the thread. Now we'll work with this light color yellow thread. So at first I'll make that slip knot. After that So here you just make each stitches one single crochet. So guys, if you like my video, then please do like, share, and please do subscribe my channel, and please tell what kind of videos you want to see, and please tell me what kind of crochet project you want to see. And if you have any doubt, then please do comment me. So here this round is completed. Now with the same yarn I am making 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain. Then now you insert the hook on the third chain, means you just gap one stitch on the second stitch, means not second, the third stitch. You insert the hook and make a slip stitch, then again you make total 4 chain. Okay, you can see I'm just next stitch I'm gapping, on next to next stitch I'm inserting the hook, and we'll make the slip stitch. Okay, now we'll make 4 chain. So you can see this stitch. So we'll come after finishing this round. So here we'll work with this purple color thread. So here I'm making the slip knot. Now you just insert the first loop, and at first make 3 chain. So 1, 2 and 3. So total 3 chain you make. Then you make double crochet. So here total I have made total 8 double crochet plus 2 side 3 chain means. So you can see means at first I have made 3 chain plus 8 double crochet, then again 3 chain. So you can see how I'm making the double crochet. And guys, if you don't know the basic crochet, then you can find one basic crochet YouTube on my channel. I'll give it on the description box as well as on the I button, you can see. Now after double crochet I'm making 3 chain, and we'll do the slip stitch on the same loop. Now after slip stitch, here you can see the slip stitch is done. Now on the next loop again I'll make 1 slip stitch and 3 chain. And 3 chain, 1 2 3. Now again make total 8 double crochet and then 3 chain and then slip stitch. Like the same way I'll make all the loops. So we'll come after finishing this round. Okay, now with this red color thread, pink color thread, we'll make one magic ring, then 1 2 3 chain and then total 12 double crochet we'll make. Now with the yellow color thread we make that slip knot, then we make a chain and then we make single crochet. So in each stitch we make 2 single crochet. You can see I'm making 2 single crochet. Like that we'll finish the second round, and then with the green color thread we'll make the same like this round. So with the green color thread we make the same, means in each stitch 2 single crochet. So here you can see that everything is ready. Now we have to assemble it. So for that one we need that you can see that these two also done, and for this back one I have made 12 double crochet, then in each stitch 2 double crochet. So for this one we need jump ring and chain, normal chain, this type of chain it's needed, and one cutter and peeler. Okay, so you just see how I am assembling all those things. If you like my video, then please do like, share and please do subscribe my channel. It will motivate me if you subscribe my channel, and please do watch all the videos and feedback me. So thank you.